The remote start feature on your 2019-2023 Hyundai Santa Fe key fob allows you to start the engine from a distance, typically up to 100 feet. This is convenient for warming up or cooling down the car before you get in. The system is part of Hyundai's BlueLink telematics. To use it, ensure all doors are closed and locked, the hood is closed, and the vehicle is in park. The system will not work if the engine is already running or if any safety conditions are not met, like low fuel or open doors. Understand that while most trims above the base model have this feature, it's best to familiarize yourself with your specific trim level, as compatibility varies. To activate remote start, press the lock button on your key fob twice in quick succession within 4 seconds. Then, immediately press and hold the remote start button, usually a circular arrow icon, for 2 to 4 seconds. The car should respond with horn honks or flashing lights, indicating the engine has started. The engine will run for a preset time, typically 10 minutes, before automatically shutting off. Remember, never use remote start in an enclosed space like a garage due to the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. Also, be aware that frequent use can drain the battery, so regular driving or charging is important. Check the My Hyundai app for any connectivity issues, and consider using the app for remote start as a secure alternative to the key fob.